It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, the smart way to keto. I'm not beating around the bush today. There are two types of people doing keto. Those who do it the hard way and eventually fail, and those who do it the smart way and reap all the benefits. People who do it the hard way, they count macros, carbs, calories, do lots of calculations, look up lots of foods, look up what's in them, try to figure out how to put them into a nice recipe. They spend hours looking at labels, trying to find the right foods to eat, making sure there's nothing bad in them. And then they waste a lot of time looking around for recipes that may or may not work. People who do keto the smart way, they don't do any complex math. It's already done for them. They know exactly what foods and ingredients to buy with a pre-made shopping list. They prepare fun and delicious recipes for every meal, even in a pinch. They slim down fast. They live happier and healthier lives without all the mental anguish. So what's the difference? People doing keto the smart way have discovered an advantage. It's a completely done-for-you keto system. It's a 30-day, step-by-step, easy-to-follow program that works. It just plain works. It gets your body into ketosis in record-breaking time and melts away the fat while you eat delicious foods you know and love, like pizza and cheesecake and, oh yes, many others. If you're serious about slimming down your waist fast, you need to check out this program today. No more excuses, no more delays. Go right now and check out the program at rockthatketo.com/SK. That's rockthatketo.com/S as in Sam, K as in King. You've got nothing to lose but fat, hassle, mental turmoil, indecision, failure. You get the picture. Even if you go there only to see the success stories of thousands of people just like you, that will help you. That inspiration will help you. That inspiration is just a click away, and it doesn't cost you anything to go look. So go to rockthatketo.com/SK. And that's today's keto tip. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.